Make a great choice today with the 2016 Optima. The all-new Kia Optima offers a new level of style and performance features from Kia. The Optima also features engine management systems like direct injection and turbocharging, which enhance performance without sacrificing fuel efficiency. Its smooth flowing lines speak of grace and style and offer a strong hint of European luxury, and is priced below $15,000. This vehicle has less than 90,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: tire pressure monitor, aluminum wheels, brake assist, traction control, stability control, four-wheel disc brakes, driver illuminated vanity mirror, FWD, integrated turn signal mirrors, remote trunk release. This beauty is sure to make you the talk of the neighborhood. So call or drop in for a test drive today.